In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendgrid SMTP with Gmail easily and efficiently. The integration between Sendgrid and Gmail allows you to send emails through your Gmail interface while still benefiting from the robust infrastructure that Sendgrid provides. Whether you're looking to improve your email deliverability or simply want the flexibility of using an SMTP server, this tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps. First, let's open up Google in your web browser. You can do this by typing google.com in your address bar and hitting enter. Next, we need to sign into your Google account. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and follow the prompts to access your account. After signing in, head over to Gmail by clicking on the Gmail link, which you can find if you look towards the upper part of the Google homepage. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to your Gmail dashboard, where all the action will take place. Now that we're in Gmail, let's proceed to configure your settings to allow SMTP integration. On your Gmail dashboard, look towards the gear icon in the upper right corner. That's where your settings are housed. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. Once the settings menu loads, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. You'll find a variety of options here, but what we're interested in is the Send Mail As section. This feature allows you to send emails from different email addresses right from your Gmail account. Click on the Add Another Email Address link. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter details about the email address you want to add. Start by typing the email address you plan to use with Sendgrid. This should be the address from which you wish to send and manage your emails. Fill out any other required fields, keeping in mind you might also want to set this as a default if it's your primary sending address. Now, to finalize the setup, we'll go through the verification process that Google requires. A verification email will be sent to the email you've just added. Open this email and follow the instructions contained within it to verify your new sending address. Verification is essential as it ensures that you are the rightful owner of the email address and authorized to send emails from it. Once confirmed, your Gmail account will be ready to send emails using Sendgrid's SMTP servers. You can enjoy improved deliverability and the ability to monitor your sending practices closely. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now set up to use Sendgrid SMTP with Gmail seamlessly. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.